Are you also interested in making money online in 2024 by watching YouTube Shorts? In this video, I am going to introduce you to an exciting opportunity where you can earn $16 for every shorts video you watch. To begin with, let's take a look at this website. We find that people all over the world have the opportunity to earn money. How much you can earn depends on where you are. For example, watching a video in Greenland can cost $20 for your bring. Iceland is $13. If you are in the US, you can earn $20. And in the UK, it's $10. The reward goes down as you go to different locations, and Mexico offers at least $4. Even if your country isn't listed, you can still get $3.50. And if you watch a lot of YouTube shorts, you can earn fast. You will increase. Let me walk you through the process. First, go to YouTube and find the Shorts tab where the most popular short videos are displayed, and look for videos with more than 100 million views that you can easily find by searching for hashtag shorts. In a few moments, you will come across countless videos that collect millions or even hundreds of millions of views. As you navigate the short from content niche, pay attention to metrics like comments and likes and the measure audience engagement. Choose videos that align with your interests and target audience, and aim to identify those with viral potential. These shows and videos serves an inspiration and valuable reference points as you explore the exciting world of YouTube Shorts. Here, find the smart part: a niche not too busy. After 10 minutes of searching, I found Minecraft video. Yes, this kind of videos people favorite game all over the world. It's a hide treasure. I even found the channel for you so you don't have to. This channel has 6 million subscribers and makes fun Minecraft gameplay videos. Before continuing with the video, be sure to subscribe us and press the bell button to stay informed about our tutorials. Just imagine the incredible reaches that await you as you watch short videos that have collected over 100 million views. Now consider the possibility of earning $15 per thousand views on such a videos. It's a tempting opportunity, and I'm here to walk you through every step of the process to get started. Our focus is on identifying the most popular video in the shorts collection. Once you found it, click on the video and go directly to the sharing tab and find the gold color there, the ticket. For this fourth URL, this link has the power to convert views into the steady stream of income, which is now a specialized website called ShrinkEarn.com. Checkbox and watch it magically turn into a paid link. This unique paid link, when clicked by viewer and depending on the popularity of the original video, you can expect a significant audience to earn you up to $20 per thousand potential views become. Upon logging in, a user-friendly interface welcomes you to the new shorten links section. Avoid spamming unrelated audiences. I provide you with specific website where real Minecraft fans gather and explain their money link strategy to ensure an easier audience to devour your video, maximizing your earning potential. You create a steady stream of income. Given the wide audience the Minecraft video attracts, let's delve into the intricacies of where to publish this link for optional result and increase your income stream. Our first destination of note is planetminecraft.com, an extensive forum that's buzzing with activity as players interact with 600,000 threads to discuss game strategies and seek feedback on their Minecraft endeavors. This forum offers a golden opportunity to introduce your cool Minecraft videos to an eager and respective audience. Start here by joining selected forums. Each view has a view count of 200 to 1000 crafts. Make your link available to a wide range of friends. You can multiply your communication efforts in different fronts and ensure exposure to the breadth of this strategic approach creates a symbiotic interface. Next website is Facebook to public groups that have a significant number of members and ongoing daily activity that reflect an engaged and vibrant community. A prime example would be a group with over 50,000 members and an impressive 10 posts per day. Once you join such a group, you gain access to a vast pool of people who are deeply invested in Minecraft related content. And you can post your link, lose money in a dynamic environment where I share a free supply of memes and engage in lively discussions where your post is booming to attract thousands of clicks and correspondingly monetize through strategy embedding of your money link. Online centers where you harness the collective power and passion of the Minecraft community to unlock impact and new avenues for financial success through carefully nurtured and interactive Minecraft content creation.